Hi guys! Welcome to Tidbit Japanese. These videos are for anyone who wants to learn the basics of Japanese or if you're planning on taking your N5 exams. They are based on Minna no Nihongo or Japanese for everyone. I've broken every lesson of Minna no Nihongo for N5 level into smaller parts so it's much easier to learn. I hope you enjoy these videos and enjoy learning Japanese. This is the first lesson and we are in part 1 based on Minna no Nihongo. In this video, you'll see some words, some grammar points and example sentences based on the words and grammar points that you have learned from lesson 1 of Minna no Nihongo. You will also have the try by yourself sentences for which the answers will be in the subsequent videos. Let's get on with the vocabulary section. The first word is konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. It means hello. Watashi. Watashi. Watashi means I. Anata. Anata. Anata means you. Normally, anata is used with someone who's extremely close to the person, like the better half. Otherwise, Japanese normally tend to address the person by their name instead of using you. Hito or kata. Hito or kata both mean person. Hito is less formal than kata. Ano. Ano. Ano means that. Dare or donata. Dare or donata. Both these words mean who. Dare is less formal when compared to donata. San and chan. San and chan is added as suffix to a name to give that person respect. It can mean Mr., Mrs., Miss or Master. Chan is normally used for children. Moving to grammar. The first point is wa, the topic marking particle. Wa is like as for. If a topic is introduced to the listener and the next part of the sentence is about the topic that's been introduced to the listener, then that topic is marked by the particle wa. For example, I am Nita. Watashi wa Nita desu. In the sentence, watashi or I am introduced to the listener, so he's aware that I am going to talk about myself. The next part of my sentence is going to be about me. So, watashi wa Nita desu, or as for me, I am Nita. The next point is desu. Desu has no meaning as a word, but it is used as a polite sentence ender. It makes the sentence polite. In the sentence, watashi wa Nita desu, the sentence ends with desu. Watashi wa is as for me or I am Nita. Desu has no meaning, but it makes the entire sentence polite. The next point is san. San is added to a name to show respect to the person. For example, if I were to say, you are Mr. Miller. Anata wa, as for you, you are Anata wa Mira-san desu. I cannot say Anata wa Mira desu because that makes it impolite. It means I am showing disrespect to the person by referring to his name without any respect giving suffix. The next point is ka, which is a question marker. Any sentence, if it ends with ka, will also end with a rising tone to show that that is a question. For example, the previous sentence I said, you are Miller. Anata wa Mira-san desu. If I add ka to the sentence and give it a rising tone, Anata wa Mira-san desu ka? It becomes, are you Mr. Miller? Now let's check out some example sentences. First one. Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Ano hito, that person, wa, that person is, or as for that person. Dare, who, desu ka? Ano hito wa dare desu ka? As for that person, who's he, or who is that person? Ano hito wa Miki-san desu. Ano hito wa, as for that person is Miki-san, Miss Miki. Ano hito wa Miki-san desu. That person is Miss Miki. Konnichiwa, Sato-san. Hello, Mr. Sato. Now try to do these sentences by yourself. First one. Who are you? Second one. Are you Miss Rita? Third one. I am Toby. The last one. Is that person Mr. Yamamoto? Check out the answers in the next video. If you have any doubts, you may post a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Enjoy learning Japanese. Bye-bye.